Hello everyone, this is me Pranjal and today I am going to discuss the paper of class 7 social science periodic test 1 2023 to 24. We have the time 90 minutes and maximum marks is 40 and we have total 22 question and now we will read the note. Question number 1 to 16 carry 1 mark for each. Question number 17 to 19 carry 3 marks for each, and question number 22 carry 5 marks for each. Let's get through it. The place where manuscripts were kept are archive, not in library, not in museum, not in none of these. The answer is C. Cartographer is one who draws what? Cartographer draws maps. Al-Idrisi was a cartographer from Arab and he was Arabian. Holy book of Muslim is Quran. The term in Hindustan was first used by Minhaj-e-Siraj. Assembly of elders is known as Jati Panchayat. Let's get to next. What does democracy mean? Unequal right to vote, equal right to vote, discrimination, none of these. B option is correct. Equal right to vote. In which state the midday meal introduced? In which states the midday meal introduced? In Tamil Nadu in 2001, midday meal was first introduced. So there's a correction in this. First introduced, there would be the correction. So the answer is Tamil Nadu. Now let's get to the next. Who drafted Indian Constitution? The Dr. B.R. Ambedkar drafted the Indian Constitution. Who was Rosa Parks? The answer is none of these because she was American African woman, not an African woman, not a white woman, not a German woman. She was American African woman. The answer will be D. None of these. Which of the following does our good health depend? Clean drinking water, pollution free environment, hygienic food, all of these. The answer is all of these because we need all of them to get good health. What should be changed weekly to avoid breeding of mosquito? Water in cooler should be changed to weekly to avoid breeding of mosquito. Now the question number 13. Which one of the following is a communicable disease? The answer is the diarrhea. It's a communicable disease. The innermost layer of earth is core because the first is crust, then the next is mantle, and then the core. In the core there are two parts, inner core and outer core. Narrow zone where land, water and air interacts is known as environment, no. Ecosystem, no. Third biosphere, yes. And fourth atmosphere, no. The answer is third biosphere. Question number 16. Our last MCQ question. Dash is the solid crust or hard top layer of the earth. The answer is lithosphere. Man modified their environment. We have to explain. So explain how man modified their environment. The answer is man modified his environment to fulfill his need. Man clear forest for agriculture and to build shelter. They build dams, bridges and road and etc. Man extract mineral from the earth and also they cut trees and pollute the environment. Now question number 18. Write 3 differences between public and private healthcare service. If we arrange them, so the question is write 3 differences between public and private healthcare service. So we will arrange them. We will make a table and facility affordability. So the answer is private in affordability it's very expensive, while in public it's cheap. In quality, private is high and public is normal. In availability, the private can be found in city and towns, and public can be found in cities, towns, and some rural areas too. Now, question number 19. List three changes in our society during 700 to 750 AD. The answer is Persian wheel in irrigation, spinning wheel in weaving, and firearms in combat. What does mean by term manuscript? What are the difficulties students face in using manuscript? Remember, this is 5 marks question, so don't miss it. The answer is there was no printing press in those days, so scribes copied manuscript by hand, which were difficult to read and understand. During copying, scribes also introduced small changes in a word or sentence, which grew over centuries of copying. 2. Original manuscript of author is rarely found today, so they had totally depended upon the copies made by later scribes. 3. Historians have to read different manuscript version of the same text to guess what was the author had originally written. So basically they जब वो कॉपी कर रहे होते थे तो कॉपी के समय वो वर्ड या सेंटेंस में बहुत गलती करते थे, जो अब आगे ज़्यादा कॉपिंग की वजह से जब उनको कॉपी किया गया ऐसे करते करते वो बहुत बड़ी हो गई, जिसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा मिस्टेक हो गया. उसके बाद जो ओरिजिनल मैनस्क्रिप्ट होते थे ऑथर के वो बहुत रेयरली फाउंड होते हैं आज के दिन. तो ये हिस्टोरियंस एकदम डिपेंड होते हैं, जो कॉपीज़ होती हैं ना लेटेस्ट स्क्राइब जो मतलब बाद में लोगों ने जिनको कॉपी किया मैनस्क्रिप्ट को, उनके ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं हिस्टोरियंस. और थर्ड है हिस्टोरियंस को अलग अलग मैनस्क्रिप्ट पढ़ना पड़ता है एक वर्जन का, एक ही टेक्स्ट का, ताकि वो गैस कर सके कि एक्चुअली में ऑथर ने ओरिजिनली क्या लिखा हुआ था. Now, question number 21. Explain the term environment. Give 2 examples of each: natural environment, human-made environment, and human-made environment. So, in the question number 21 and 22, none of these questions are in our book. But if we have read our chapters carefully, so the answer was that the environment is basic life support system. It is our surroundings. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. So the example of natural environment is air, water, or also called atmosphere and hydrosphere. Human-made environment example: buildings, parks, and human example is community, religion. And if we have given only 2 examples, so we will tell only 2. Now, let's get on the question number 22. Explain all persons are equal before law. तो देखो यहाँ पे एक सिंपल चीज़ दिखाता हूँ. यहाँ पे सारे पर्सन इक्वल होते हैं और लॉ के सामने. देखो आगे यहाँ पे एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर है जो बहुत बड़ा है, ये इसका क्राउन हो गया, और एक नॉर्मल ब्लैक पर्सन है. दोनों ने एक क्राइम किया है, दोनों क्राइम किए हैं. यहाँ पे क्राइम, सॉरी आगे नहीं दिखने के लिए. तो जो भी है इन दोनों ने बहुत बड़ा क्राइम किया हुआ है. तो अगर इन दोनों में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा कि इसको हम कम जेल देंगे ओनली फॉर 2 years और इसको हम देंगे 15 year, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. जो एक्चुअली में होगा वो दोनों को इक्वली पनिशमेंट मिलेगा. दोनों में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, दोनों को इक्वली पनिशमेंट मिलेगा. और यही हमारे को स्टेट्स देता है कि ऑल पर्सन. और इसको अगर हम एक लाइन में, जैसे ये तो एग्जांपल था, अगर एक लाइन में हम कहना चाहे तो हम कह सकते हैं ऑल पर्सन आर इक्वल बिफोर लॉ रिस्पेक्टिंग ऑफ कास्ट, जेंडर, बर्थ, color, skin color, and birth. So the answer is completed, and today we have completed our the question paper. Thank you and have a nice day. And the PDF will be sent to you through the through via link in my description. So bye and have a nice day.